Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I take my natural curly hair to a salon style blowout. I'm going to share with you guys some of the easy tips and tricks that I've received from my salon hairdresser. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Step number 1, style your hair using a leave-in conditioner and a smoothing spray. This will help your hair to be hydrated. It's going to smooth your hair and also add some shine to your hair. Now, one of the things that the salon stylist told me was instead of spraying the product directly onto the hair, to go ahead and spray the product inside of my palms, rub them together, and distribute it evenly throughout the hair. But while I'm doing this, to make sure that I'm using the smallest amount of product for each section of the hair. Now, to get that blowed out effect, I'm using the blow dryer by Launch. This is the smallest one that they have because of course my hair is not that long, and I really feel like when I use this size, it really hugs my hair so much better than the larger one that they have, and I don't get as much of a bouncy or volume to my hair when I use the bigger one like I get when I use a small one. Step number 2. Now, when I get to the front part of the hair, I'm supposed to blow dry this away from the face, while the back part of the hair is supposed to be blow dried towards the face. This is gonna add a lot of volume and body to the hair. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like after the first round of blow drying. Step number 3. Now, after blow drying the hair, if you are like me and you have naturally curly hair, you know blow drying alone doesn't give your hair the straightness that you would like to have. So I always have to go back in with a flat iron to really straighten the roots and to make sure that the hair is not going to curl up within a few hours. So I'm just going to go around the hair and finish just pressing out the hair to make sure all the curls is out and sealing in all that straightness that I've received from the blow dryer. Step number 4, reapplying some more products into the hair, and I'm gonna flat iron to seal in the products and to make sure that the hair is gonna stay in place again. As you notice, I'm flat ironing the hair towards the face this time because I want it to lock in volume. Step number 5. For final hydration, I'm adding in the Blow Dry Miracle by It's a 10. And I'm just using this because I'm about to blow dry my hair one last time. And now this blow drying that I'm doing here is not for dryness or anything. It's literally just to add volume back into the hair. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any other videos that I share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.